the ratio of the longest to the shortest wavelengths in bracket series of hydrogen spectra is. Now we are talking about bracket series. So first of all, let us write that formula which helps us. So we have 1 upon lambda is equal to R into 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. This is the formula. Okay. So now for the bracket series, we know that n1 is going to be equal to 4. That is fixed, because we know that for Lyman series we have n1 is equal to 1, right? For Balmer series we have n1 is equal to 2. For Paschen series we have n1 is equal to 3. For bracket series we have n1 is equal to 4. And for Pfund series we have n1 is equal to 5, right? So that is the thing. So now the special question says the longest and shortest. So we need to understand what does it mean, longest and shortest. So we have two choices. One choice says, suppose that if n1 is equal to 4, then the next orbit can be n2 is equal to 5. Okay. And for shortest, so this will actually give the energy transmission. Okay. So let us use this thing. If I use this thing, I can get 1 upon lambda 1 is equal to R into 1 upon n1 square, which is 4 square minus 1 upon 5 square. Fine. And if I write the values, 1 upon lambda 1 will be is equal to 1 upon 16 minus 1 upon 25. So this 1 upon lambda 1 will be is equal to R into, this will be 16 into 25, and numerator will be 25 minus 16, which gives us 1 upon lambda 1 is equal to R into 9 divided by 16 into 25. From there lambda 1 will be is equal to 25 into 16 divided by 9R. Okay, so we got one wavelength lambda 1, and we have another wavelength. For another wavelength, that will be the shortest wavelength. Why? Because energy transmission, suppose this is n equal to 4 and this was n1 equal to 5, the only energy transmission will be the minimum. So that means that minimum will give you the maximum wavelength. Why? Because you know that E is equal to hc by lambda. So E is proportional to 1 upon lambda. So if E will be minimum, so in this case E was minimum, so this will be the shortest wavelength. So lambda 1 will be shortest wavelength. So I can write it lambda s. Let me correct myself, maximum wavelength, because energy was minimum. So this lambda 1 will be lambda maximum. Correct? I hope you got it. Now when we are talking about shortest wavelength, that means n2 should be infinite. So as much energy can be utilized, right? So if I utilize this time the same formula, then what do I get? So I can write 1 upon lambda s shortest is equal to R 1 upon n1 square, which is 4 square, 1 upon infinite square, which will be of course 0. So this will be R into 1 upon 16. This is 1 upon lambda s. So lambda shortest will be 16 by R only. Now our task is to find out the ratio, right? So ratio of lambda longest, that means lambda max divided by lambda s. So which can be written as, this is 25 into 16 by 9R. 25 by into 16 by 9R. So I can write 25 into 16 by 9R and divided by 16 upon R itself. So this R and R is cancelled out, 16 and 16 is cancelled out. What do I get? Lambda max upon lambda minimum or short. shortest will be is equal to 25 by 9. So we got a specific value 25 by 9 for bracket series. So option number 1 has to be the right choice. Okay, yeah.